Have you ever lost your My Eyes Only snaps on Snapchat and felt that sudden panic, thinking they are gone forever? Don't worry, in this video, you'll learn exactly how to recover your hidden or deleted snaps step by step. Whether you still have your account, lost your phone, or even forgot your passcode, there's a method that can help. So watch carefully till the end, because your snaps might still be recoverable. Before we begin, let's understand how My Eyes Only actually works. These private snaps are protected with end-to-end encryption, which means only you can unlock them using your passcode. Even Snapchat itself cannot view or restore them. So if you have forgotten your passcode and reset it, unfortunately, those snaps are permanently deleted. There's no way back. But if you didn't reset the passcode, or if the snaps were just deleted, cached or unsynced, there's still hope. Now let's move on to the first recovery method. Open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left to go to your profile. Then tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Scroll down to find the Help Center or Support option and tap on it. Now select Contact Us. When the support page opens, choose I need help with a Snapchat feature. Then scroll down and select Memories. When asked if you still need help, tap Yes and then choose Using My Eyes Only. Scroll down again and tap Yes once more. Now you'll see a form. Fill in your Snapchat username and the email linked to your account. In the description box, I want to recover deleted pictures for My Eyes Only section in Memories. Once done, tap Submit and complete the CAPTCHA verification. After submitting, wait for the Snapchat support to respond through email. If your deleted data is still on their servers, they'll guide you through the recovery process. If not, they'll inform you that the photos are permanently deleted for privacy reasons. Next, let's talk about recovering snaps using your phone's cache. This works only on Android. For this, you have to first connect your phone to computer. Select the phone storage and go to Android, Data, com.snapchat.android, Files. Inside, you'll see folders like received_image_snaps or received_video_snaps. Copy these files to a safe folder. If the file extension looks strange, just rename them. For example, change .nomedia to .jpg or .mp4. Sometimes you'll be surprised to see a few of your deleted snaps reappear. Another place people often forgot to check is their phone gallery or cloud storage. If you ever saved your private snaps to your camera roll, they might still be there. So check your Photos app, your recently deleted folder, Google Photos or iCloud Photos. Sometimes your hidden snaps are right there, just not where you expect them. Now, there's only one situation where recovery isn't possible. If you reset your My Eyes Only passcode, all the encrypted files are erased instantly. Snapchat's encryption is built for privacy, which means even they can't recover it for you. So if this happens, there's unfortunately no way to get those snaps back. Here's a quick bonus tip to make sure you never lose your snaps again. Open Snapchat settings, Memories, enable Smart Backup. Now every snap you take will automatically be saved to the cloud, even if you uninstall or switch phones. So that's how you can recover your My Eyes Only snaps step by step. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor for more quick and practical tech tutorials.